Hello, this is Andy, Hobo Traveler. They're got the grinding machines on today in the coconut area. I thought I'd take a picture. Hopefully they're going to start again. What they do is, I just purchased a coconut from this lady for 20 pesos. They got, I think, different sizes here. It's a little difficult to understand, but oh yeah. Are you grinding the coconut? What they're doing is they grind the coconut off. This is what they do, is grind this, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay. How much is 1 cup? How much is 1 cup?
Sir?
How much is the glass? How much is the glass?
Oh, 10 pesos.
10 pesos. So already done is 10 pesos, but looks like it's more than 1 coconut. Thank you. I want to show this machine. Can I show the machine? It has a grinder inside. This is Andy, Hobo Traveler in the Philippines, trying to show you how they grind up a coconut. Thank you. Bye-bye. So this is how they basically prepare coconut or raw coconut to do it. Is this coconut oil?
Yeah, coconut oil.
Oh. This is coconut oil, then this is the...
They grind coconut.
They grind it. What it does? What does it do? The oil comes off as you... How do you get the oil? It just falls into the...
No, you just mix with the water.
Yeah. Oh, and it comes out. Oh. Then I can go to the beach and get a suntan.
Yes.
Okay. Okay. Thank you, Andy Hobo.